Hello everybody, welcome back to Tip Top Tips.
Today we're going to be looking at two easily confused questions. What does it look like?
And how does it look?
Oh, Tip Top's got the tips.
So what's the time, Annick?
Time I need to be going.
Really already?
Yeah,
Oh,
I'm
that's a
sorry,
shame.
I know, it's been lovely seeing you. Do you know where my coat is?
Your coat? It must be outside.
Oh, okay.
Let me check.
Okay, thank you.
Nick, what does it look like?
Oh, it's black and it has a belt around the waist.
Okay. Hey, okay, I found this one. Oh,
Great, perfect.
Do you know, Nick, what? I bought this jacket in winter sales.
Cool. I like it.
How does it look?
It looks amazing. I love that colour on you.
Do you?
So you can see we have the two different questions. What does it look like? And the answer to this question is it's black and has a belt around the waist. This is asking you to describe the item. Then we have how does it look? And the answer is it looks great. It really suits you. This is saying, is this good? Do I look nice? Does it fit my style? So hopefully that's been useful for you because these questions are very often confused. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Oh, Tip Top, oh, Tip Top, oh, Tip Top's got the tips.